Welcome back to the channel, collectors. Today, we're unboxing something truly special, the 1959 Volkswagen Double Cab Pickup with trailer and the 1960 Volkswagen Delivery Van from M2 Machines. His model comes in a ready-to-display acrylic display case with a plastic base, ensuring it's protected and showcased in style right out of the box. This stunning 1/64 scale die-cast hauler set is packed with incredible details. Let's dive right in. M2 Machines produces a wide variety of hauler models, but this particular one stands out as truly special. It comes dressed in a vibrant PEZ livery, which is the iconic branding of a well-known Austrian candy brand. The bright, colorful design gives the model an added layer of character and nostalgia, making it not just a collector's item but a tribute to a beloved candy brand that has been part of Austrian culture for years. First, we have the 1959 Volkswagen Double Cab Pickup, featuring a motorhome built right on its bed. The detailing is amazing. Just look at those iconic front and rear VW emblems. It's a perfect blend of utility and vintage style, capturing the spirit of adventure. And here's the trailer, which perfectly complements the pickup. It's sleek, sturdy, and designed to carry all the essentials for your next camping adventure. A perfect companion for the ultimate road trip experience. And last but not least, we have a sleek lowrider T1 van. This beauty sits low to the ground, giving it that classic custom look. The vibrant paint job and intricate detailing make it a standout piece. When combined, this trio forms a perfect hauler set. Whether you're a Volkswagen enthusiast or a die-cast collector, this is a must-have for your collection. You can buy this beautiful little hauler on our website www.scalearts.in. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing scale model content. Drop a comment below and let us know which model you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.